In today's video, I'll show you how to use gift certificates in Acuity Scheduling step by step. If you want to sell prepaid services, offer gifts to clients, or create an additional revenue stream for your business, gift certificates are a great option. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Packages, Gifts, and Subscriptions section from the left side menu. Next, click on Gift Certificates. This is where you can create, manage, and track all gift certificate sales. To create a new gift certificate, click Create Gift Certificate. Now enter the details, including the name, value, and any description you want customers to see. You can offer fixed amounts such as $25, $50, or $100, depending on your business. After that, decide whether the gift certificate will expire or remain valid indefinitely. Once everything looks correct, save your settings and make the gift certificate available for purchase. Now clients can buy gift certificates directly from your scheduling page and send them as gifts to friends, family members, or colleagues. When someone receives a gift certificate, they'll get a unique code. To use it, the recipient simply books an appointment through your scheduling page and enters the gift certificate code during checkout. Acuity will automatically apply the available balance toward the appointment cost. If the gift certificate value is higher than the appointment price, the remaining balance can typically be used for future bookings until the balance is exhausted. As the business owner, you can track purchased and redeemed gift certificates from the same Packages, Gifts, and Subscriptions section. Before offering gift certificates to customers, test the purchase and redemption process to make sure everything works smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully set up and used gift certificates in Acuity Scheduling, making it easier for clients to purchase and redeem services. And that's how you use gift certificates in Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.